The crow in the pandanus tree is obviously looking for food. But then, as if it were the most obvious thing in the world, it chooses a leaf and sets about producing our mysterious tool. First, it rips off a thin strip. And now the wide, comfortable handle. Perfect. But does it really understand how a tool works? Mealworms in pistachio shells could pay off. There are also tools, skewers with flexible ends, like pipe cleaners. It is the wrong tool, completely unsuitable. There's no way it will make it past this corner. No chance. Or is there? It might work like this. Brilliant! 2 at once. Oops. Back down to 1 again. But he definitely understands tools.